Rohit, Sanika, do you understood? कळतंय का? Now, next question I'm going to ask you, dear student. Which one of the following is the most significant feature of the Indian population? Which one of the following is the most significant feature of Indian population? Which one of the following is the most significant feature of Indian population? And the options to you all here. First option is to you all, that is declining birth rate. B option, improvement in the literacy level. C option stands for the size of its adolescent population. And the option D is deals with improvement in health conditions. So these are the all four options to you all. You will have to choose one. Don't give me any vague answer, dear student. Please put your 100% attention on the question. Think on it and then give the answer. Take your time. Okay, Sanika is saying C, Rohan is saying C, Rohit is saying C, Shrutika, which one is the correct answer? Shrutika, which is the correct answer? Okay, correct. You must be audible, huh? You must be audible and you must be communicate answer whenever I ask you. Don't just drop your message in the drop box or message box. आपको बोलना भी पड़ेगा. We are the BBA student. Our communication must be straightforward. You are the future manager of this corporate house in the future. Okay, so you must communicate with me in English. Next question I'm going to ask you. Though you are talking broken English, I don't mind it at all, but you need to start to speak in English. Till 12, it would be okay to speak in Marathi. But henceforward, our course is professional, so you must communicate with us in English. Next question I'm going to ask you, that the demographic dividend refers to a rise in population. Demographic dividend. Am I visible to all of you? Shivani, which is the correct answer? The correct answer is a B, between the age group of 15 and 59 years. That is called as a demographic dividend. And as far as India is concerned, India is a young nation so far, and most of the people and most of the generation of Indian country is in between 15 to 40. So that's why India is a emerging demographic dividend factor in the world's horizon. So that's why the role of India in the upcoming years is one of the essential and one of the most vital role as far as world economy is concerned. World is turned a very, very age oriented, but India is growing youngster. Getting my point? And you all of us are the future of India. Understood? So that's why you all of us are the demographic dividend to country like India. Do you all understood this concept? Demographic dividend? Okay. Please give me answer orally. Every time you cannot drop a message in the message box. Sometimes I expect your answers through orally or through communication way. Understood? Don't just sit idle.
Yes, sir.
And yes, that Shivani, very good. Don't just say yes and no. I want elaborate answer from your side, because our subject is elaborate and I want elaborate answer. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay, thank you. The next question I'm going to ask you, the population which produce maximum welfare is called. The population which produce maximum welfare is called. Do you all supposed to need option? आपको option चाहिए क्या? Okay. चलो, मैंने आपको options भी दिए हैं. You will have to choose one. Upasna, please give me correct answer. Upasna, give me the answer immediately.
B, ma'am. Sir, B.
Upasna, where are you?
Optimum population, sir.
Very good.
Option is correct.
Very good. Very good. आप बता सकते हैं क्या मुझे ऑप्टिमम पॉपुलेशन क्या है? ऑप्टिमम पॉपुलेशन की परिभाषा क्या है? Anybody else in the class can tell me what is meant by optimum population? मैंने आपको लास्ट टाइम डायग्राम भी निकाल के दिया था.
Sir, can I tell?
मैंने आपको डायग्राम की जो परिभाषा है वह भी समझा के दी थी. तो कोई स्टूडेंट है क्या जो ऑप्टिमम पॉपुलेशन मुझे एक्सप्लेन कर सकता है?
Yes, sir, I am.
बोलो बेटा, बोलो बोलो. Though you are talking wrong, I'm here to correct you. Don't worry about it. But you must dare to talk. Getting my point?
Optimum. Yes, sir.
बोलो बोलो बेटा, बोलो. शिवानी बेटा, बोलो बोलो.
Sir, Mr. Robbins, Dalton, and Carl Saunders have rejected the Malthus theory of population. They
Okay.
propose the modern theory. This is called as optimum theory of population.
Very
And
good.
optimum population means it defines by Carl Saunders is optimum population as that the population which produce maximum economic welfare.
Well done, beta. Well done. Really proud of you. Really proud of you. Wonderful answer. So that
Thank you,
kind of
sir.
communication I am expected from you. Proud of you, beta. Really proud of you. And other must take some lessons from her. The way she talk, the way she communicate. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Sanika Munod, can you give me the answer? What is optimum population? Sanika, do you hear me, beta?
Population which produce the maximum economic welfare.
Okay, इतना ही है क्या आंसर? उन्मेष बेटा, am I audible?
Yes, sir.
उन्मेष बताओ मुझे ऑप्टिमम पॉपुलेशन क्या है. अगर आपको अंग्रेजी में नहीं आंसर आता तो आप हिंदी का भी इस्तेमाल कर सकते हो, बट डोंट यूज मराठी फ्रीक्वेंटली. उन्मेष बताओ मुझे ऑप्टिमम पॉपुलेशन क्या है, इसकी परिभाषा क्या है, इसकी डेफिनेशन क्या है, इसका कोई एग्जांपल अगर मुझे मिला तो आई विल बी वेरी हैप्पी. that my student got the point which I'm saying again and again. उन्मेष बताओ मुझे ऑप्टिमम पॉपुलेशन क्या है? उन्मेष आता है क्या आपको?
नहीं सर.
नहीं आता. Okay. I'm very happy that you are directly saying, sir, I don't know. That would be also a very good point. So those things which you don't understand, you say no. Nice. Next, Shweta Gahile. Shweta, am I audible, beta? Am I audible? आप optimum population का example दे सकती हो क्या मुझे? Shweta Gahile, am I audible? Okay, Rishabh, give me the answer. Though you are talking mistakenly wrong, I will be here to correct. काही काळजी करू नका, मी बोलणार नाहीये तुम्हाला. हा, फक्त मला आन्सर हवंय तुमच्याकडून. थोडं चुकलं तरी चालेल, मी इथं आहे क्लिअर करण्यासाठी. डोंट वरी अबाउट इट. Shivani, Shete Shivani, please give me the answer. Rishabh, please give me the definition of business demography. Let it be. Okay. Next question I'm going to ask you. Business demography means what? What is meant by business demography and the role of business demography? Very good. Correct answer. वैष्णवी, आप दे सकते हो क्या आंसर? वैष्णवी, Shrutika.
Sir, can I?
Yes, you can, beta. You can.
Business demography is the application of demography concept, data, and technique to the practical concern of business decision makers.
Well done, beta. Well done. That is called business demography. हमेशा ध्यान में रखो, जब भी आप कोई भी कॉन्सेप्ट लिखते हो तो पहले आपको इंट्रोडक्शन देना पड़ता है, मीन्स डेफिनेशन देनी पड़ती है. डेफिनेशन देने के बाद आपको बिजनेस डेमोग्राफी का कोई एग्जाम्पल, मैंने बहुत सारे एग्जाम्पल दिए हैं आपको, ये एग्जाम्पल आपको देना पड़ेगा. इसके बाद बिजनेस डेमोग्राफी के जो एक्चुअल पॉइंट्स है, व्हाई देयर इज अ नीड ऑफ बिजनेस डेमोग्राफी, इसका एक्सप्लेनेशन आपको करना पड़ेगा. दैट इज द करेक्ट वे ऑफ गिविंग आंसर. Don't just give me the vague answer. Don't give me just one line answer. Understood? You all getting my point? So can you give me any one example of business demography? Anybody else in the class?